Hello everybody and welcome to this paper theatre tutorial. We will go over how to set up your theatre in preparation for putting on some shows. So in the pack you will get a pre-cut card theatre stage, 4 printed scenes, 24 fun characters, blank backdrops and characters for you to create your own stories. So let's start by setting this theatre up. First thing you need to do is fold along all the creased lines, which you can see have been marked out here on the video. Once those lines have been folded, your theatre should look like this, and the next step is to interlock the theatre in place. So let's start by bringing the right side over to the left side and locking that in place with the tab. Now it's time to close the underneath of the stage. So fold that over and slot it in and lock that in place with the tab. Now it's time to close the top, so let's fold it over and lock it in place. Okay, that's the theatre pretty much done. Now it is time to pop out all of our scenery items. So here I've got the 4 backdrops for the stage. I'm going to separate these parts and then choose one for my backdrop. Carefully pop out all of the scenery and gather all of the parts together ready for the next steps. Okay, now it's time to dress our theatre with a curtain banner. So push the tabs of the banner into the slots at the top of the theatre to hold it in place. Okay, now I've got my bushes which I'm going to decorate the front of the theatre with. So like the curtain banner, push and slot those into place at the bottom of the theatre. Okay, we're almost done setting the scene, so now it's time to place our backdrop into the theatre. So slide your backdrop into the theatre and close the top shut. Perfect, now the theatre is decorated for the scene. The next step is to choose our characters. So pop them out of the sheets and then we're ready to go. That's everything set up and now it's time to put on a show. Hello, who are you and how can I help you?
Hi there, nice to meet you.